Okay, in this video I'll show a very quick rundown of me purchasing a track. I'm quite a fan of Rycat. It's very active on the Discord group and so on, and we've got this Never Let Me Go, which yesterday on $1.83 for those who had it paired. It's only paired on 13, another 2 have sold today, but I'm going to buy this one. So we click on that track, we come through here, we get to see the price, minted 15 out of 100. I click on buy now. I get an extra 10% discount because I've got some music token in my wallet on the Ethereum network. I'm going to use the currency on the Gala chain, which is the internal the blockchain that Gala have created themselves. There's no gas fee on that either. So I'm earning in Gala music, so I'm using that on this purchase. So let's review that. You can use a credit card if you want. We click on that to review. I need to put in my transfer code. So let's pop that in there so we can see the actual price I'm paying is 3,030 music token. Agree to the terms and conditions, click place order. So this music track will earn me money every day that I have it on my jukebox so other people can listen to it. It will also earn me the ability to earn points every day that I'm listening to other music. Doesn't have to be this particular track, but I can be listening to other music. And as you'll see in just a moment, I'm going to place this on my jukebox as well once this order has processed. Just bear me a second. There we go. So that has processed. Go to my collection. So Never Let Me Go. Go to my jukebox node actually. So I've got 22 tracks. So let's go and have a look at this. So my music. Sorry, it's under the not hosted yet. I was looking at hosted. So here it is, not hosted. So instance number 16, so I've purchased that. So let's go and host that on a track. So host selected tracks. So I'm going to host this on my jukebox. So it's a specific ID. It's not, I've got a second account for this just for helping make these videos and so on, but I post in my ID for my second jukebox, click on confirm. I should need to search for that first of all. So there it is, 9 out of 10 tracks hosted, players online. So let's click confirm, and we need our transfer code again. So let's paste that in there. Click continue. And there we go, that track has now been successfully hosted, paired with a jukebox. Let's just scroll down the page and we will see it. And here it is, Never Let Me Go by Rycat. Revenue yesterday was 60.54 music token, so I hope to pick up on some of that as well. I've now got, let's just look at notifications, the bell button at the top right hand corner just to show where you can confirm all these details. We click on notifications. There we can see the confirmation purchase Never Let Me Go for 3,030 music tokens. So now I'm going to go back to rewards. I've had 1 track purchased and paired in the last 30 days, so I'm now going to listen to 20 tracks a day. That'll give me 2 points. I get another point for having purchased the track today, so that's 3 points today, 2 points every day for the next 30 days. Plus I now own this track Never Let Me Go, so that's paired with a jukebox, so I'm getting paid every time that gets listened to. Whether I listen to it or not is fairly immaterial. So yeah, that's a quick summary of purchasing a track, putting on a jukebox and starting to earn with it.